large and extremely dangerous tornado is located near center, west-northwest of Portland, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Reports of some tree damage in the Dunkirk area. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Portland around 2 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Bryant, Westchester, College Corner, Center, Liber, Trinity, Blaine, New Corridon, Bryce, and Bell Fountain. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following county: